Furnishing the Home. This is the art of choosing, arranging, and maintaining furnishings in the home. Color is an important aspect in furnishing. Color is an element of design which can only be seen in the presence of light. Characteristics of color. There are three main characteristics of color. These are hue, value, and intensity. Hue is the name of a color. Value is the degree of lightness or darkness of a color. The lighter values are known as tints, while the darker values are known as shades. To get tints, white is added to the hue, while black is added to get shades. Intensity is the brightness or dullness of a color. A color wheel is the arrangement of color in a circle showing their relationship. Colors are classified into three groups, namely primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. Primary colors are basic colors and cannot be produced by mixing other colors. These are red, blue, yellow. Secondary colors are obtained by mixing. Primary colors are basic colors and cannot be produced by mixing other colors. These are red, blue, yellow. Secondary colors are obtained by mixing two primary colors. They are orange, green, violet, or purple. Orange is obtained by mixing red and yellow. Green is obtained by mixing yellow and blue. Violet or purple is obtained by mixing red and blue. Tertiary colors are obtained by mixing a primary and a secondary color. These include red-orange, yellow-green, blue-violet, red-violet, blue-green, and yellow-orange. Click on each to view. Now, let us create a color wheel. Draw a big circle and divide into 12 equal portions. Insert the three primary colors equidistant from each other. Now insert the secondary colors centrally between two primary colors from which the color is derived. Finally, insert the tertiary colors in the remaining spaces correctly by combining the primary and secondary color. And now we have a color wheel. Now, let us create a color wheel. Draw a big circle and divide. A color scheme is the overall effect of the colors used on all the surfaces in a room or space. There are many types of color schemes, but in this topic, we shall discuss the following: monochromatic, one color scheme; analogous, a related color scheme; complementary; and triad, equidistant harmonies. Monochromatic color scheme. This is whereby one color is used together with its tints and shades. Analogous color scheme. This is the use of two or three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. Complementary color scheme. This is combining of colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, which creates a contrasting harmony. Single complementary. This is the use of one color and the directly opposite it on the color wheel. Split complementary. This is the use of a color and two other colors on either side of its complement on the color wheel. For example, green, red-violet, and red-orange. Double complementary. This is a color scheme that uses 4 colors, 2 colors and their complements. Triad color scheme. This is the use of 3 colors which are at equal distance from each other on the color wheel. Furnishing the house. Furnishings can be classified into 2, hard furnishings and soft furnishings. Hard furnishings. These are items used in the home made from wood, metal, plastic, and glass. Hard furnishings can further be classified into case goods and upholstered furniture. Case goods. These are pieces of furniture that are not padded. These are pieces of furniture that are partially or wholly padded and covered with materials such as fabric, leather, or polyvinyl chloride (PVC). Furniture for different rooms. Different rooms require different pieces of furniture depending on their use. The rooms are sitting room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. Click on each to view. Soft furnishings are items made from fabric and other materials. They are both functional and decorative. They include curtains and blinds, cushions and pillows, carpets and floor rugs, bed covers, and loose covers and tablecloths. Curtains and blinds. They are used on windows and doors. They filter excess light, provide privacy, and enhance the appearance of a room. Cushions and pillows. They provide comfort by supporting the body while sitting or sleeping. Carpets and floor rugs. They are used on the floor for warmth, reduce noise, improve appearance of the floor, and protect it from damage. Bed covers. Protects the beddings against dirt and enhances the beauty of the bedroom. Loose covers and tablecloths. They are used for easy maintenance and protection of the furniture against dirt, enhance appearance and beauty of room, and hide defects on furniture. Accessories are items used in the home for functional and aesthetic value. They include wall hangings, clocks, aquarium, pictures, carvings, trophies, lamps, mirrors, lampshades, seashells, and corals. Click on each to view. A flower arrangement is the art of selecting and arranging flowers to come up with a pleasant effect. Some of the commonly used flowers and plant parts are roses, carnations, gladioli, chrysanthemums, staties, arum lilies, Madonna lilies, delphiniums, watsomia, leaves, twigs, seeds both dry and fresh, and synthetic flowers. Click on each to view. Equipment used in flower arrangement. For successful flower arrangements, the following equipment is required: scissors, skatiers, knife, wire netting, flower vase, basins, bucket, plain thin wire, oases, and dust sheet or newspapers. Click on each to view. Making a flower arrangement. Now that we have flowers and equipment, let us make a flower arrangement. Place the wire mesh or pin holder in the vase. Fill the vase 3/4 way with water. Place the tallest stem of foliage. Fill in with shorter stems. Avoid overcrowding the flowers so that each individual flower can stand out clearly. Occasionally, stand back to view the arrangement and confirm that the desired shape is being achieved. Shapes of flower arrangement. The following are some of the shapes used in flower arrangement: triangular arrangement, circular arrangement, crescent arrangement, torch arrangement, oval arrangement, and right-angled triangle arrangement. Click on each to view.